Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad actually good only ways. Start by salting the water heavily and undercooking the pasta by 1 minute so it stays al dente after chilling. Rinse briefly with cold water, then toss the pasta with a bright vinaigrette, crunchy vegetables, and plenty of fresh herbs. Chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld, then adjust seasoning before serving. I emphasize layering flavor from the start and finishing strong so every bite sings. Roast vegetables or quick pickle cucumbers for contrast, and whisk a vinaigrette with good olive oil, vinegar, Dijon, and a little honey to balance acidity. Fold in herbs at the end and include salty elements like feta or olives sparingly. Taste after chilling, then brighten with extra acid if it feels muted. Quick recommendation: if you like quick kitchen wins, subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. On another note, I love the device seen here. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes following recipes easy when you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Textures make pasta salad interesting, so add crunchy toasted nuts or seeds and crisp vegetables for contrast. Swap heavy mayonnaise for yogurt or a modest splash of olive oil to keep the salad bright and light. For savory depth, stir in anchovy paste or capers if you like umami, or simply boost salt and acid for a vegetarian option. Always taste after chilling and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.